Hey everybody, and I am live. So I've got some exciting news. Actually, I got two pieces of exciting news. First off is congratulations, Christina Smallhorn. She hit 50,000 subscribers and over 7 million views, which is just wild. Considering she got most of those just in the last 12 months. So she's definitely been hustling. And so congratulations to her. She's definitely a wealth of knowledge, and we're very lucky to have her in this group. So that's kind of the first big exciting news. The second one is that I just released a free course for real estate agents to dominate with YouTube. So it's called YouTube Bootcamp for Real Estate Agents, completely free. It's a 45-minute long course. And I teach some pretty advanced techniques in there. I really do give away a lot of pretty powerful secrets. I'm pretty proud of this free training that I put together. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this free training and kind of show you where to sign up for it. So let me pull this up. So if you guys head on over to my website, youtubeleadgen.com, you come on up here to free stuff. That's where you'll find this free training at. And this is it right here, YouTube Bootcamp for Real Estate Agents. If you go down a little bit further, that's where you get the free template for my thumbnails as well. You come here, you go up to sign up for free. And this is kind of like the landing page for the course, talks a little bit about it. You can see it's one 45-minute long video. Click on get started. And I'm already enrolled in there, so I can just go ahead and click on that now. Give you a quick little preview of the course. So this is it. This is 45 minutes training of me going over exactly, what videos you should be making, how to optimize those videos for YouTube, and how to get them to rank in search. And I go in a great bit of detail about all of this, and I really do give away a lot of really powerful secrets completely for free in this training. I go into a good bit about setting up your YouTube channel as well, how to optimize your banner and how to use playlists to really optimize your channel. And anyway, so all of this is in this free training. I go talk about thumbnails a good bit in here as well. 45 minutes. It took me forever to edit this video, but I'm pretty proud of it. I think it's some really good training that you're really not going to find anywhere else. And I just want to kind of let you guys know about that. So you can find that over, there's something in front of your camera on the left side. Yeah, that's my laptop. That's my laptop. I kind of like that. It gives it kind of a unique thing. Like there's like a depth of field to it, a foreground, a middle ground, and a background. I'm experimenting. This is my new studio setup. I'm still trying to get my camera angles just right. But yeah, go sign up for that free training. Let me know what you guys think about it. If there's any other free training that you really like me to put out there, I'm open to it as well. This took me a good while to put this together as well and edit this big, long, 45-minute long video. But head on over to youtubeleadgen.com, go up to free stuff, and that's where we'll be able to find this training. We will be signing up today. That's what I like to hear. You got the weekend. Take the course over the weekend, implement what you learn in there. And anyway, so yeah, have a good weekend, everybody. Congratulations, Christina Smallhorn. 50,000 subscribers is huge. And what's interesting, so it took her, maybe 12 months to get from like 3,000 to 50,000. It's not going to take her anywhere near that long to go from 50,000 to 100,000. She's already got that momentum and all these videos that are just crushing it. Yeah, fix that camera. Okay, I'll move my laptop. Crying out loud. All right, guys. That's it. Have a good weekend. Enjoy that free training. Congratulations to Christina Smallhorn. We didn't do a live stream this week. I wanted to. We had some scheduling conflicts, and then I got wrapped up creating this free training instead. Next week, Christina in the YouTube Lead Gen show should be back. We're already trying to pinpoint exactly who we want to have on as a guest. But yeah, I'd love just to talk to Christina about hitting 50,000 subscribers, how long that took her to do that. So enjoy your weekend, everybody, and we'll hopefully be back doing a live stream next week.